focus here is that you receive it not of yourself. You didn't do anything to be born naturally on this earth. And similarly, you cannot do anything to be born of the Spirit. You have to receive it just by grace. You are saved by grace through faith. Nothing you can do can add to that reborn experience. In fact, Scripture says your self-righteous works are like filthy rags. An example might be, if I'm making some cookies for you, I have cookie dough, and I say, come, have some cookies and coffee. And you eating the cookies, and I say, stop you halfway, and I say, listen, I just want to tell you that I've taken a bit of Cooper's poo. I've taken some of his poo, and I've just mixed it in the cookie dough. Just, I think it will improve on the taste and the flavor. What are you going to do? You're going to say, are you crazy? Are you mad? You're going to spit it out and say, no more. That bit of Cooper's poo, even though it's 99% cookie dough, but there's that 1% poo in there, spoils the whole thing.